आज कम करा तो फिर Okay, so now we are going to start for RPM and yum. These two commands is used to install the packages or feature of Linux operating system. So I think my screen is visible and I'm audible also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's just start first. Use again there. Oh, they should join the time one by one. Okay, so when we talk about RPM, RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. Okay. So Red Hat Package Manager is used to install the packages or any of the software in Linux. Okay. So if we need to install any package through RPM, we need to install single package at a time. If there are all the packages starting with the same name, then we can only install multiple packages at a time. Else, RPM is going to install one by one packages. Second, if there is any dependency, means any dependent packages are there, then it is not going to install by itself. Okay, so we need to install that package. Means suppose before installing this package another package is required to be installed. In that case, this RPM cannot resolve the dependency by its own. Also, whenever we are going to install any packages, we need to specify the path of package. So here when we talk about package means features. Okay, so here RPM to install, we have to use RPM minus I to install, E to erase, U to update, Q for query, QA query all. So like this we can use based on our activity. So let us see how RPM works. So our all packages, all the softwares related to the operating system is available in operating system CD DVD. So first of all we have to mount and access this CD DVD. Okay. So we'll go in devices, optical, choose a disk file. If it is not appearing here, you can select from the path. For me it's appearing, so I'll select from here. So here we are also seeing how to access CD DVD in Linux operating system. Okay, so here,
Hello. Sir, can you repeat once again?
yeah, once again I am going to repeat. So to install any package, operating system package, we have to give the source. So as we know, the operating system packages are available in operating system CD DVD. Okay, so we have to connect the CD DVD in this virtual machine, or if it is a physical machine, we have to insert CD DVD, then access that CD DVD in Linux. As it is a virtual machine, we have to connect it from here. This option, device, optical. So I'm going to remove first and then I will show you how to attach. devices, optical, choose a disk file. So wherever is your disk file you have kept, you will select it. Okay. And just wait, it will, as it is a graphical environment, it will auto appear. So you see it's automatically appeared. So here what happened, it gets mounted automatically. Where it is mounted automatically, if you want to see the path, you have to use command mount. But when you use mount, in the last here you can see the option slash dev slash sr0 on run media root rhel, like this. So what does it mean? Dev device sr0 is the name of cd dvd in Linux device and is mounted, is connected on media run folder, root partition, run folder, media folder. Inside that, whoever is login, if Tanveer is login, then instead of root it will write Tanveer and then name of cd dvd. So this much is a very long path. Then you can see here, type ISO 9660. So this is what, this is file system. Like our partition have file system or pin drive has file system, FAT, NTFS. Similarly for CD DVD, we have ISO 9660 and it is mounted in read only mode. Other things you see, read write mode. So CD DVD always accessed in read write, read only mode. Okay. So now as it is a very long path, what I will do, U mount, so unmount, detach this CD DVD from the Linux system. Okay. Now if I see, it's not available there. Okay. So first thing, graphical, when you are in a graphical environment, CD, DVD, pen drive, whatever you connect, that will get mounted automatically on this run media folder. But if you are in command line, it will not get mounted automatically. You have to mount manually.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you go a bit slow, sir? It's complicated.
Okay. So earlier what I said is clear, or should I repeat once again?
Yeah, sir. Can you repeat once?
From
The
where?
before, sir, one command you have written, no, sir, that one.
This one,
After this, sir.
mount.
Huh, what is that,
So
sir?
when you use this mount here, it should show the result related to CD DVD. So we don't see anywhere SR0. Another option what we have is you can use mount piping grep slash dev slash SR0. If you remember, we have learned about grep. It fetch line where the pattern matches. Correct? Here you see. Means SR0 is not mounted anywhere. Now to mount this, I am using SR0 MNT. Okay, means mount what? Dev SR0 means device CD DVD on slash MNT. So MNT is a blank folder which is created automatically. If you want to mount on another folder, you have to create that first. Okay. Now you see device write protected mounted read only. Now if I use the same command grep, we can see the result. Okay. So here we have device SR0 mounted on MNT folder. Type is ISO 9660 and mounted in read only mode. Till here things are clear. Do you have any question? Hmm? Now to see the content of CD DVD, we will go inside MNT folder, put ls. Whatever you see here, that is content of CD DVD. So till here, do you understand the process of identifying whether CD DVD is mounted or not? How to mount or connect a CD DVD in Linux, and how to see the content of CD DVD. Is it clear? If you have doubt, any question you can ask.
Sir, we are doing,
Hmm?
sir, we are doing it, sir. I will execute it.
Your voice is too low. Okay. Now, once we see that CD DVD we have accessed, in this CD DVD of Linux, there are two folders, App Stream and Base OS. Okay. So you can see here, this is App Stream and this is Base OS. So this two folder contains all the packages. Okay. So for example, I want to install graphical version of Vim. So what I have to do? I have to go inside packages, sorry, app stream. And then inside that there is a folder packages. Okay, if you put ls, you can see these all are the packages inside it. Now to install graphical version of Vim, rpm minus I to install, V to see the progress, H in a human format, and the package name vim minus x capital 11, and press the tab. It will complete because the file exists in the same folder. Press enter. See, installation done. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see that whether graphical version of Vim is installed or not. So we will go in show application all. So here you can see gvim. Earlier it was not available here. So gvim is ready. So where is that gvim? See, this is the gvim. Now how you work in vi editor similarly, and now you want to save, go to the file, save. It will ask the name. I want to save it as Indore. Overwrite yes, or you give any other new name. Now I want to exit. File, exit. Done. So this is how we can do this. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the another one. CDS space slash MNT slash AppStream, or leave it. VI, sorry, graphical version of Vim is already installed. How I can check? So here we have RPM space minus query all Vim asterisk. So it is showing all the packages installed with the name Vim. So here we can see Vim minus X11 is installed. Okay. And when you are going to query, on that time you have to give the exact package name. Now I want to delete it. Okay. I want to erase it or uninstall it. Right click, copy. Okay. RPM space minus E to erase and paste it. Okay. So you have to give this exact name, else with the star or has it will not take, or tab it will not take. You have to either type or just copy and paste. See, now it's erased. How we can check? One, when you are going to query, it is not showing Vim minus X11 is there. Another, when you go here in activities, so application, here you see GVim is not there. Okay. Now the next is, now the next is Yum. So what is the advantage of using Yum? So Yum is used to install the packages. Okay. In Linux, it can install multiple packages at a time. It can resolve dependencies automatically by its own. Only we need to create a repository of the package. Means every time you cannot connect CD DVD and use Yum. Instead, you have to copy the entire CD DVD and keep it locally, and you have to define a configuration file where you will locate that these all things are available here. So from there Yum will take automatically whatever packages are required. So that's why it is written. We don't need to specify path every time. So automatically it will take. So let us see how the Yum works. To configure Yum, we have this all steps. So this 1, 2, we have already done. Means we have already mounted our CD DVD. The remaining path, first we create a folder where we are going to copy entire CD DVD. So I am creating folder with the name RHEL. You can give any other name. Then you can verify the path of the CD DVD where it is mounted. Then copy all the content of this CD DVD in RHEL folder. So it is almost 11 GB. It will take time to copy. So do you have any question till now? Meanwhile, it's copying. This topic, what we are doing, that is a very important topic. So make sure you practice it well because when we are going to see the services, we will install all the services using Yum. So how to configure Yum, how to install packages through Yum or services through Yum, this you should know very well. Even in interviews also they will ask you these things. Now it's copied. How we can make sure that it's copied properly? Du minus hs slash mnt. We will see the size of mnt and we will see the size of rhel. If you see, both the size is of 11 GB. Once it is done, then we have to define the configuration file etc yum.repos.d slash yum.repo. Go in the insert mode. Here we can give any name, but I'll give the same app stream. Name equal to app stream. Base URL. File colon triple slash RHEL app stream. GPG check equal to 0. Enable equal to 1. Now, similarly, we have to give the path. We have to locate the path of second folder, that is base OS. Name equal to base OS. Base URL equal to file colon triple slash RHEL slash base OS. GPG check equal to 0. Enable equal to 1. So this is how we have to specify this path of both the folder. So this path, we should not do any mistake. Name, you can give any name, name changes doesn't matter, but this location should be perfect. Escape colon WQ. Then here yum clean all. Now just to verify whether yum is installed or not, we have command yum repo list. So here you can see the repo ID and repo name. If it is appearing, means yum is configured. Now just you see, I am out of everything. I want to install any packages. Okay. So let me remove CD DVD also. It's not required, just to show you. I'm going to deattach it. So now you see it's not attached. I have to install any packages. Suppose firewall in graphical mode. Yum install firewall minus config give asterisk. That's it. It will automatically fetch the package and it will list. You see. Okay. Install Y. Now, if you go here in activities, so application, you can see firewall option is here, which you can use graphically. See, I want to install Yum, install graphical version of Vim. Yes. Where it is stored, this package is, we don't need to think. Automatically it will fetch and install. Go in activities, you see graphical version of Vim. Now, if I want to query, so we have Yum query means list command. Yum list, suppose NFS. So here what you can see, this package is installed, this package is available to install related to the NFS service. NFS is a file sharing service. Similarly, if I show you for HTTP, you can see here that lot of packages, okay, are available to install. You see HTTP parser, these all and where it is. Understood? So this is how we can do the query using yum list command. I want to remove anything. So whatever you want to remove, instead of install, use command remove. I want to remove VI editor graphical version. So when you see here in show application, is not there. Okay. Now after this, if you want to remove yum, how you can remove? So we have done two things. One, we have copied the entire folder or entire CD DVD, and another, we have defined a configuration file. So both the things we need to delete, yum will get removed. So rm minus rf slash etc slash yum dot repos dot d slash yum dot repo. So first we have to delete this repository file. Then next we have to delete RHEL folder. So we have removed this. If you verify yum repo list, what it says, no repositories available. So yum is removed. So till here things are clear. Do you have any question? Okay. Now we are going to see how to install any software from internet. So you have to give software either using pen drive, either using any other method. Here I am going to use internet. So internet, wired connection, wired setting, or you can go through the settings option. So just let me verify IPv4 automatic apply. Okay, and then off and on to take effect, and we will go in the devices and make sure it is set to NAT. Then only we will have internet on this machine. Off, on. So if you see here, it is showing IP 10.0.0.2.1, these all things. So now we have the internet. We'll go to activities, Firefox. There is a one office called LibreOffice, just like a Windows, MS Office, sorry, Microsoft Office, LibreOffice. It is a free office, so we can download this. So you just scroll, you will get download LibreOffice, and it is available for Linux, Deb, Mac OS, Windows, everything. So we will select here, and it will automatically detect also. If not, you are downloading from other source or other machine, then you have to select Linux 64 RPM. Click on download. You will see it will start downloading. So you want to run or you want to save? I want to save. Okay. Now see, we have installed, downloaded this LibreOffice. So where we can get it? We can just open from here as a folder. So it is available in my download folder. /root/download. You have to do right click, extract here. Now just open it, go inside. There is a folder RPMS which contain the package. So these all are packages. So in blank space, just do right click, open in terminal. Advantage, you will be in that folder by default. So if you see the PWD, you are in this very long path. Now, if you put ls, it will list you all the files related to this Libre. So if you see, all the packages here is either with the name Libre or Libo. So lib is common, rpm minus ivh, lib asterisk. So it will be almost 30 packages or 33 it will install. So now it's installed. Where we can verify, we have to go in activities, go to show application. Here you can see these are the LibreOffice packages. Base writer is the MS Word. Okay. Similarly, for the Excel we have this Calci. For the PowerPoint, Impress, like this you can open this. So we have covered till day 13. ACL, I think we have not done in this batch, na? So ACL is remaining. Apart from that, till 13, we have done this. How to access this CD/DVD. If you want to see for the pen drive, then just arrange one pen drive on Monday when we'll have the offline class. Okay, so Monday onwards, no online class. We'll have offline class there. Now the climate is good. So we'll go for the ACL, and after ACL, we will go for the storage partitioning. Next class will cover ACL, creating and managing partition and LVM. So this will be the topic for our next class. Okay. Once we complete this, then we'll go with the networking and the security services and all. So till here things are clear. Do you have any questions?